We have been receiving complaints where ice does not dispense properly on certain Frigidaire, Electrolux, or Kenmore 253 refrigerator models. This condition is observed when the paddle is depressed. The ice door opens for a split second, then closes immediately. The sound is very distinctive, and there is no delay in the flapper closure as there should be. Most likely the solenoid linkage has fallen out of place. The repair will require the dispenser module to be removed and an adjustment made. Begin by disconnecting power to the refrigerator. Remove the module cover by pulling it forward, beginning at the bottom and working your way around. Remove the 2 screws that hold the control housing in place. Tilt forward, disconnect the wire harness, and set aside. Remove the 2 screws holding the dispenser module and loosen the water tube in the retainer. Pull forward and rotate the module to gain access to the right-hand side. You can see the metal rod is out of place as it should be inserted on the back side of the gray plastic linkage arm. Insert a small flat blade screwdriver behind the brass tab and then twist the screwdriver. This will put a little more tension on the metal rod to hold it in place. Then, using the small screwdriver, push the rod back into the plastic linkage. Test the operation by manually pulling in the solenoid once to open the flap, then once again to close the flap. Repeat this just to be sure it is functioning properly. Reinstall the module. You will need to lift up slightly to place the rear portion of the module housing above the ledge on the door mold. Reengage the water tubing into the retainer. Ensure the flap is sealing properly. Reinstall the control housing and module cover. Reapply power and test the operation. Notice the difference in sound and the delay in the flap closing as it is operating correctly.